Fix 1. Offload unused apps. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Step 2. Tap on General, then tap on iPhone Storage. Step 3. Here, you can see all the apps on your iPhone and the space they occupy. You can select the app you want to uninstall and then tap on it. Step 4. On the pop-up page, you'll see the options, Delete App and Offload App. You can choose Offload App and then confirm your action. Furthermore, you can use the following steps to enable automatic offloading of apps on your device. Step 1. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Then navigate to the App Store section. Step 2. Make sure to toggle the switch for Offload Unused Apps to the On position. Fix 2. Clear cache in Safari. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Step 2. Scroll down and tap on Safari. Step 3. On the Safari settings page, scroll down and tap on Clear History and Website Data. Step 4. In the pop-up prompt, tap on Clear History and Data, then confirm your action. Fix 3. Delete old iPhone backups. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Step 2. Tap on your Apple ID at the top of the screen, then select iCloud. Step 3. On the iCloud settings page, tap on Manage Storage. Step 4. Here, you can see all the backups of your iPhone stored on iCloud, along with the space they occupy. You can select the backup you want to delete, then tap on Delete Backup and confirm your action. Fix 4. Disable iCloud photos. Step 1. On your iPhone, launch the Settings app. Step 2. Navigate to your profile and select iCloud. Step 3. Then, in Photos, uncheck iCloud Photos to disable the feature. Fix 5. Update the iOS. Step 1. Connect your iPhone to a stable Wi-Fi network. Step 2. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Step 3. Tap on General, then tap on Software Update. Step 4. Here, you can see if there are any updates available for your iPhone. If there are, you can tap on Download and Install and then follow the prompts to complete the update. Fix 6. Restart the iPhone. Step 1. Press and hold the power button on your iPhone until the Slide to Power Off prompt appears. Step 2. Slide the slider on the screen to power off your iPhone. Step 3. Wait for a few seconds, then press and hold the power button on your iPhone again until the Apple logo appears. Fix 7. Reset all settings. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Step 2. Tap on General, then scroll down and tap on Reset. Step 3. Here, you'll see some reset options. You can select Reset All Settings and then enter your passcode to confirm your action. Fix 8. Restore iPhone with iTunes. Step 1. Connect your iPhone to your computer and run iTunes. Step 2. Click on the device icon at the top left corner of iTunes, then click on Summary. Step 3. Click on Restore iPhone. When prompted, select the latest iTunes backup, then click Restore. Fix 9. Use iOS System Recovery. Step 1. First, open the program on your computer after installation. Then, select iOS System Recovery. Next, use a USB cable to connect your iPhone to the computer and click Trust to establish trust with the computer. Step 2. A pop-up window will appear, displaying various issues the software can resolve. To proceed, click on the Start tab. Step 3. Choose the mode you wish to use. Select Standard Mode to retain your files. Note that Advanced Mode will erase all your data. Once decided, click Confirm to proceed. Step 4. Take a moment to carefully review and confirm the details of your iPhone. Once you're sure of their accuracy, click the Repair button to initiate the repair process.